Hello everyone. Hello guys. Am I visible? Am I visible to everyone? Give me a thumbs up in the chat quickly. Hello everyone. Welcome to the platform. Hi Divyanshi. Welcome. Good evening everyone. Welcome to the platform. This class is at Unacademy platform for 6th class. Okay, let people join in. I can see 5 candidates over here. Give me a thumbs up guys quickly. So today we would be covering our lovely chapter that is very important in your 6th class, that is getting to know plants. In this chapter we would be covering a major portion of plants. What are plants? What are the parts of plant? What kinds of plant are there in our nature? So all of these things would be covered in this chapter. Okay? So before moving on ahead, and today we would be having the Menteemeter quiz as well. So are you people excited about that? Yes, I can see thumbs ups. Okay, great guys. So let me quickly brief you about this platform a bit. So this is the Unacademy platform. My name is Abha Sharma and I am an educator from past 4 years, and I believe that every child is a star child, and with the correct guidance you can really perform exceptionally well. So you all are my stars. So let's move on with something a little more about Unacademy. We provide you with all the batches of the complete syllabus. So for 6th class, all these batches are already ongoing. The Eureka batch for science and SST, the mathematics and science batch, and then we have our English and Hindi batch as well. So all of these batch, you can be a part of them. And if we move ahead, for all those who are really, busy kind of playing in your weekends, playing during your weekdays, so you can actually be a part of the weekend batches. So in the weekend batches for 6th class, we have Kannan Ma'am who will be teaching you science, and there will be Charwanand Ma'am who would be teaching you maths. So there would be like batches in both English and Hindi. So come and be a part of the batches. You can download the Unacademy app and access all of them. So the new batches that would be starting for English and Hindi literature for 6th class would be A to Z finals. So in this batch, Hina ma'am and Sonal ma'am would be covering Hindi and English literature respectively, and they would be covering each and every chapter and course which are included. So it's like really lovely to able to revise everything at this point of the year. Okay, so quickly give me a thumbs up if you are able to see me. Okay guys, so these are the two plus subscriptions that we have. That is your plus subscription, and then we have our iconic subscriptions. In the plus subscription, you get to be taught by India's best educators, interactive live sessions, live quizzes and tests, and the creative corner. But if you want to be the part of the best one, so this would be iconic. In this, you would be getting all those 4 features plus a lot more. So this would be like a personal attention, a personal mentor for you and your parents. Moving on, these are the rate plans, subscription plans for Plus as well as Iconic. Subscription. So as you can see, and as you are like really good at mathematics, so that would be like 3,000 per month. But if you go for a larger number of subscription, a larger, I would say, amount, so that would be like really less per month. Same with the case of Iconic. And if you can see over here, my lovely, I would say, referral code. So it will actually provide you with 10% of discount. So you can use it if you like the class and if you want to be a part of the Plus subscription or Iconic subscription. So that is my code AS23. Quickly write it down. Now let's begin with our class. So how would we be doing that? We would be kind of covering up the, or I would say the right word would be revising all the chapter, the complete chapter in 20 to 25 minutes. And after that, we would be having our Menti quiz. So who all are excited for that? So let's move ahead. Plants, as you know, are the living things which grow in soil. You know that they remain fixed at a place. Now, have you ever seen a plant running away from the rain, or a plant sitting in a McD and eating a burger just because it was hungry, or just a plant doing sightseeing in Himalayas? No, right? So we know that they are not the living things that can move. So they always remain fixed at a particular place. So they get anchored to the soil where they grow, and from their roots they basically take whatever minerals and water they need. So they do not move around or eat food like animals do. Now, how do they make their own food? That is a question over here. So they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, as you must have studied before. And for photosynthesis, the plant should be having green leaves. Now, can anyone tell me why do they need green leaves for photosynthesis? Although we would be covering this in the upcoming slides. So let's move ahead. So here we would be learning about the classifications of plants on the basis of their size, their lifespan, and their height. So first of all, we would be studying about herbs, then shrubs and trees, and of course many more other plants at that. So here you can see the comparison of three trees. In the first one, what do you think that it is? This is a small short plant, and it is like really near to the ground. Its height is like really small. So what do you think that this plant is? This one is a little bigger than that, but yet not so tall. And this one is a huge plant. So yes, that's absolutely right what you people are thinking. The first one is a herb. Let me write H for you. The second one is a shrub. And the last one, the tallest and the strongest one, is a tree. So let's see how do we classify a plant into herb, shrub or tree. Just give me a second. Let me go through the chat and let's see that I'm able to, why I'm not able to see your chat so much. Okay, so I think here they are. So herbs are the plant which are small, having soft and delicate stem. Herbs do not have woody stems. So make sure that whenever you see a small cute plant that is quite delicate, you know that is a herb. Such plants like tomato or wheat or rice, they do not grow that much in length and they are very soft and delicate. They have green and tender stem and they are absolutely short sized. Apart from being short sized, they also have a very short lifespan. So this is again a very important function of herbs. Let's move on with the shrubs. So shrubs are the medium-sized plants. They have hard and woody stem and they branch near the base. So this is one of the major, I would say, characteristic of shrub that makes it apart from herbs or trees, that it branches near the base. That means near the ground it starts branching out. So shrub have like hard stems, but however their main stem is not as hard as a trunk. So their lifespan can be called like it would be more than the herbs. However, it would be less than the trees. Oh God, yes. So it is less than the trees. Let's move on and study about the trees. So trees are the tall big plants that you can see all around you. They have a very hard and thick woody stem. They do have one main stem known as trunk that you people must be knowing already. So all these brown, I would say large thick stems that you are seeing, that are known as a trunk. Trunk do have a bark as well. So there is a covering of brown covering all over the trunk that actually protects the things that are inside them. As big as their height and as tall as they do live for very, very long years. Or I would say they live for many, many years. So the lifespan and the height of the tree is the maximum and they live for most of the years. Let's move on to the next one. That is a very interesting part of this chapter that you must be learning for the first time. That is climbers. What do you mean by climbers? As the name suggests, climbers are the plants which climb. They wrap around another, I would say, neighboring support and they try to climb around it. So if I tell you the definition of climbers, so plant having thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand upright readily, but however they climb up the neighboring support. So those kind of flowers or plants are known as climbers. Now how are they able to do such things? They have a special organ known as climbing organs called tendrils. So tendrils, I can see a lot of people coming in, but I'm not able to see your chat. Okay, let me just try to fix this up. Hi everyone. I'm so sorry. I was not able to see your chat. Hi Chalak. Hi Divyanshi. Hello Ankit. Hello Sunita. Yes, Sunita, that is my code. Hi, El Arjun. Rita is also there. Sunita, Satish is there. Hello, welcome to the class, people. Now I'm able to see your chat. I was like wondering why I'm not able to see it. Okay, Purnab, hello. So are you people following whatever I'm teaching? Quickly focus on the whatever content I'm teaching, and then we will be having a Menti quiz. So tell me who is like really excited for the Menti quiz. Tell me. Yes, I'm getting a lot of yeses. Soon Chahak. Great guys, very soon. So this content is really small, but again, as the previous class, as I said, if you really want to answer the Menti quiz, you need to learn the chapter as well. So let's move on to our lovely another type of plant that is known as creepers. So creepers, just like the climbers, cannot stand upright, but however, they do not have the climbing organs as well. So creepers do not have the climbing organs, therefore they usually creep, or I would say crawl on the ground. Okay, and some examples are strawberry plant and pumpkin plant. Good evening, Saksham. Okay, good evening, sweetie. Hi, Sushra. Sushravya. Very beautiful name you have. So now if we talk about the parts of the plant, as you people, as we have like really intelligent people in the house, you must be knowing that this part of the plant is known as fruit. I'm not able to write because I do not have a pen over here. I do have a mouse. So this part of the plant is known as flower. Then this is a leaf. This beautiful thin thing is a stem. And these are our lovely roots. Hello, Shubham. Okay. So let's move ahead. Okay, Gitika, I remember. So now we would be studying a bit about the leaf. So the leaf has all of these parts. This stalk-like structure which joins the leaf to the stem is known as petiole or leaf stalk. This whole area of the green leaf, it is known as lamina or leaf blade. The tiny veins that you can see running inside the leaves are known as veins, and the main one that is emerging from here, it is known as midrib or main vein. Okay, great. Sushravya. Okay, I got that. Yes, Satish, petiole. Okay, so the leaf is a thin, broad, flat structure of a plant, and that basically performs photosynthesis. So these are the two major parts, that is lamina and petiole, and it does have a midrib and veins. So I'm not going in much detail because I want you to just, revise all of these things with you so that we can go ahead with our Menti quiz. So as we know, the tiny minute pores below the surface of the leaf is known as stomata. Okay, thank you so much that you feel that I teach so nice. Hi, Heather. Yes, very true, Satish. Leaf is also known as a food factory of the plant because it creates food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, and how does leaves undergo photosynthesis? Because they contain a green color pigment called chlorophyll. Okay, so they contain chlorophyll because of which they can undergo photosynthesis, and therefore as they produce food, they are known as food factory of the plants. Same way, the stomata helps the leaves to go under respiration, that is the exchange of gases, and transpiration, that means when the excess of water is taken out from the leaves, that is known as transpiration. Okay, let's move ahead. So the three main functions of leaves are respiration, transpiration, and photosynthesis. Let's come up to the next very important part of our plant, that is a stem. Stem is the one which rises vertically up from the ground, and it supports the branches and leaves. The stem are sometimes the strongest part of the tree. It is known as trunk, and they do have a covering of tough layer known as bark. Yes, there PQ, there is Menti in another 5 to 7 minutes. So just bear it with me, listen very carefully, then only you would be able to answer. Stem do that. Halesh. Okay. Stems hold the plants upright. Do ask me any doubt if you are facing any, okay, from this particular chapter. Okay guys, so the function of stem includes that they hold the plant upright, they carry water and minerals from root to all the parts of the body and food from all the parts of the body to the root. So they have all of these things, and because of that they are very important. So this is what inside of a stem look like. They carry water and minerals from root to all the parts of the body, and same way from leaves to the roots. Okay. Then we come upon types of root. Again, a very fundamental and basic thing about this chapter that would be really helpful to you even in the Menti quiz. Okay, so Speedy, in this, I would say it would be a lot to explain this, but I'll just explain it to you in like a bit of like brief. So what happened is respiration is a process in which our body takes in oxygen and breaks down food to create energy. So whenever the body breaks down food, suppose this is a food particle and it breaks down food to create energy, this process is known as respiration. When this process is done in the presence of oxygen, it is known as respiration. Okay. Okay, so we have two types of roots over here. One is taproot, another one is, just let me clear this. Okay, so one is taproot, another one is fibrous root. So you can very easily see the difference. The taproot has one main major root, and all the other roots are, emerging from here. And same with the fibrous roots. It has fibrous roots which are emerging from one particular space, and all of these are equal and fibrous. So tap roots are the tapering roots. They have a main stem. They are known as lateral roots, and all of these plants have tap roots in them. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you are following. Quickly. Tender means very delicate. Prolipt. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you people are following. Great guys, great. Then you have fibrous roots. Fibrous roots contain of many thin fibers, as you can see over here. Okay, so they spread out in the soil and give a firm support to the plant. So it holds the soil very firmly. They do not have a main root, and plants like weed, paddy, grass, bamboo, they have okay, so P-cube herb is a small short-heighted plant which do not grow above 1 meter, and they are all the short plants that you can see around are known as herbs. They have a very short lifespan. Okay. Yes, very true, Purnab. Very true. Root hair increases the surface of absorption of water. Okay, let's move ahead. Do you people know about venation? So the arrangement of veins in the lamina or leaf blade is known as venation. So see how their veins are, placed in this. It is such a net-like structure. But however, in this one, it is quite straight and the veins are really parallelly to each other. So that's why we have two kinds of venation. One is reticulate venation, another one is parallel venation. Pavitra. Okay, I got that. Okay, so the reticulate venation, the veins occur in an irregular way, forming a net-like design. The vein spread out in the middle of the leaf, and they look something like this, right? So we do have a main vein, and then all the other veins are running on the whole of the leaf, like whole lamina they are covering. Now in the parallel venation, the leaves run, I would say the veins run parallel to each other. Okay, so they basically run parallel to each other, absolutely straight on both the sides of midrib. Hello, Ankita. How are you doing? Okay, so can you tell me which type of root the plant have only by looking at it? Can you tell me? Answer the question that is on your screen. Yes or no? Because I just finished that class. Thank you so much, Atul. Okay, I'm getting a lot of yeses. So how can we do that? How can we know what kind of a roots that plant have if if we are only allowed to look at it? Quickly tell me. How can we do that? I got your answers. So, by the help of leaves, absolutely, absolutely. Yes, Mohit, absolutely right. Ankita is also right. PQ, I just forgot your name, but you are right as well. So, there is a relationship between venation and types of root. So, whenever we look at a leaf of any any plant, if it has reticulate venation, that means that net-like structure, it would be having a taproot for sure. Same way, if the plant is having a parallel venation, that is absolutely straight lines, then it would be having fibrous roots for sure. Yes, Pavitra, now I'll try to remember that. Okay, so Menti coming up in another, I would say, few minutes. Okay, here it is, guys. Hello, Ishan. Now, quickly open the Menteemeter.com. Quickly open that. Everyone, type it in your browsers. Menteemeter.com. Hello, Manat. Okay, I'm giving you the code. So here it is. Let's present it. Here is your code. That is 4654105. Open Menteemeter.com and fill up the code, that is 4654105. I can see a volcano just entering. And here's a unicorn and a football and hearts. And there's a donut that I really love. Then I have a spade. Welcome, guys. I have a penguin and a rose. Here comes I would say a dinosaur. I believe that's a dinosaur, a flying one. Okay, Purnam, you're at the heart. Pavitra, what's down? Okay, Saksham, you are the volcano. Purnam is the heart. And here's a beautiful fish, a cute one. I would be starting in another 2 minutes. So call up all your friends so that you can see who knows better. Because we would be having a lot of questions and we would be having the leaderboard as well. And there is a Santa Claus in the house. Hi, sweetie. Yes, I know. Okay, so Mohit is the dragon. And Veena is the tree. Okay, great. Pavitra is the fish, the beautiful one. Come on, quickly. Last 1 minute to join. You are the spade, Veena. Okay. Let's see who all have literally listened and read this chapter before. So who is this emoji? And then there is, I believe, a fox and a robot. Okay, great. Last 30 seconds, guys. Quickly call up your friends. And here we are with lots and lots of participants. Okay, let's start it. So the first question is on your screen. Purnab, that is cheating. So, the correct answer is transpiration, guys. Don't click it just quickly to answer, okay? Try to answer it correctly. So, the loss of water from leaves of a plant is known as transpiration, okay? So, just try to answer it correctly. It's okay if it is a misclick, but however, we should be a little more careful, okay? So, let's see the leaderboard. We have Nilakshi on the top. Then we have Love, Shozav, Sagar Sharma, Askin, Akshay, Gitika. Then we have Sai Krishnan, Sweetie, and Mannat. Great, great. Let's move ahead. It's okay. Don't hurry. Now you have like at least answer after 5 seconds after reading all the options, okay? Let's move on to our next question. Read the question properly, read all the answers. Think of the most appropriate one. Let's see. So most of you answered it correctly. That is really great. So the plants and leaves and branches basically increase or grow their branches in order to gain more sunlight, because जितना उनको sunlight मिलेगा the more they would be able to produce food. So more sunlight means more photosynthesis means much more food. Yes, Saksham. See, now you read all the options. That's why you got the right answer. Let's see the leaderboard. See, the correct answers could actually just make you go so up on the leaderboard. So we have Love, Sargan, Askin, Shozav, Gitika, Sai Krishnan, Nilakshi, Anshu, Akshay, Ishan. Hello, welcome to the leaderboard, guys. It's okay, Pavitra. Next time. Next question. Are you guys ready? So the question is right here. Focus, focus. This one is a bit of a GK question, so let's see who is able to answer this. Okay, lot of wrong answers. So ferns is the only plant in these four that are flowerless. So ferns do not have flowers or do not bear flowers. Other than that, all the other three options have the flowers in them. Hi Hemant, welcome to the class. Quickly join the menteemeter.com and type in the code that is present. I know, Saksham, they are a bit difficult because I really want to test your knowledge. And if you have any doubts even after the class, come and contact me, okay? I'll put my Telegram link in the chat box soon. Very soon, okay? So let's move ahead with the next question. Oh, so leaderboard, I just forgot about that. See, Akshay and Soumya just jumped right above. That is so great. Hello, Sai Krishnan. Great, great guys. See how much jump you can get from getting a right answer. So the next question is on your screen. Easy peasy question. A lot of you are answering very quickly. Time's up. Yes. So the shortest lifespan is by the herbs. So always remember that herbs are the shortest one, so they have the shortest lifespan. Then the middle one is the shrub, so they have like middle lifespan, that is approx 1 to 2 years. And then the tallest one are trees, so they have the largest lifespan. Okay, so herbs would be the answer over here. And let's see who will climb up. And we have Love, Askin, Akshay, Soumya. Then we have Nilakshi, Anshu, Sagar, Sai Krishna, and Joseph and Dr. Pavitra. Welcome to the leaderboard. Fifth question. You can do it, guys. Try to focus. Don't misclick just in order to quickly answer. Purnam and Saksham, stop answering here. Try to answer in the menti.com. So yes, the correct answer is tendrils. They are the special organs that climber have, and they help the climber to basically wrap around any of the neighboring support. So these are very much unique to the climbers. Creepers do not have climbing organs or tendrils. Nilakshi. Okay, I got that, Purnab. So let's see who is leading now. So Love is maintaining his place, and then we have Akshay, Askin, and Soumya on the places, on their own place. Then we have Mannat and Sai Priya on the leaderboard. Welcome, guys. So the sixth question is coming right away. You can do it. Try to focus. I actually mentioned these twice in the class. Which of the following is a creeper? Wrong answers. Here the creeper is strawberry. Both grapevine and bitter gourd are your climbers. Remember that they have tendrils, both grapevine and bitter gourd. Your strawberry plant and pumpkin plant are creepers. Okay? I know they are a bit of, I would say, advanced questions, but that's how you will prepare. So even if you want to prepare this chapter in detail with me, so come to the Unacademy class. I have a plus course particularly on this chapter. Go and watch it. Okay? I'll try to bring up more quizzes on this particular chapter. So let's see who is there now. Akshay leading the board. Then we have Soumya, Love, Askin, Nilakshi, Anshu, Sagar, Sai Krishna, Ishan, and Mannat. High five, ma'am. Ishan is giving me a high five. Okay, so let's move ahead with our another question. And here it is. Easy peasy question. If you know it, you know it. Yes, so the tree have a covering, a tough covering around them that is known as bark. Bark is that brown rough surface that you can see on any of the tree. So they are there to protect the inner parts of the tree. Someone is trying to write the code over here, I believe. Yeah, Manat, that is the code. Hi, okay, so this version is trying to ask for the code, right? Yeah, so that is 4654105 and you need to type in menteemeter.com. We have a lot of participants today. I'm really glad. Sai Krishna is saying easy peasy. That's really great if you find that easy peasy. Let's see the leaderboard. So the Akshay is on the top. Then we have Soumya, Love, Askin, Nilakshi, Sagar, Sai Krishnan, Anshu, Mannat and Sai Priya. Okay, let's move ahead with the next question. I hope everyone has joined. And here it is. Okay, what did you ask Ayush? Quickly ask it again. Abhishek Singh is also here. Time's up. So which of the following tend to branch near the ground? So learn the concept behind it, guys. Herbs are very small plants. They do not branch. They do not even have a stem to basically branch. Okay, so they do not branch at all. But however, shrubs start, because they're like short-sighted, so they start branching near the ground only. In the case of trees, they basically grow long trunks and after that they branch. So, who of them would tend to branch near the ground? That would be shrubs. Okay? Okay, go ahead, Shivam. Ask it. Ask about it. Let's see the leaderboard. Guys, you can ask the doubts. Quickly write in the question. So Love is on the top. We have Love, Akshay, Soumya, Nilakshi, Askin, and Nilakshi's answer was the fastest. Great. Then we have Sai Krishna and Priya, Sagar, Sai Priya, Gitika, and Sweetie. Okay, let's move on to the next question. This one is an easy peasy one. Quite easy. Let's see who leads the code. Hi Shivam. So yes, the arrangement of vein in the lamina is known as venation. Remember that. जैसे हमारी जो वेन्स होती हैं, जिस तरीके से लैमिना पे स्प्रेड आउट होती हैं, उसको हम वेनेशन कहते हैं. We have two kinds of venation. One is reticulate, another one is parallel. Okay, so this is a very important and very small part of this chapter, yet very influential. And try not to write the answers in the chat box, guys. That's not fair. So Soumya here answered the first fastest, but still Akshay is on the first. Congratulations. Then we have Soumya, Nilakshi, Love, Askin, Sai Krishnan, Sai Priya, Gitika, Sweetie, and Anshu. Great. Let's move on to the next question. You can do it quickly, quickly. Now this question is from like detailing of this chapter. So if you know it, you know it if you have asked the question. Okay, so Ayush is asking about my favorite song. So I think I would say my favorite songs is up to my mood. I listen to like Elvis Presley and Nicole Schwarzenegger. Then I love Bollywood songs as well. So yeah, all of these songs. And I really like Kailash Kher, Jagjit Singh, if I talk about that. So I think I have answered these questions for you. Shivam is also very keen to know my favorite song. So these are the ones. Yes. So the correct answer over here would be filament. The female sex organs have four parts, that is a style, stigma, ovary, and in that ovary we have ovules. So there would be like four parts. However, in the male sex organ in a plant, that is a filament, we have that is a stamen, that we have two parts, that are filament and anther. So let's see who answered this correctly. And who was the fastest to answer this? So Nilakshi was the fastest and hence she is on the top. Welcome to the leaderboard. Nilakshi, Akshay, Love, Askin, Soumya, Sai Krishna, Sagar. Sagar is I think the first time over here. Sai Priya, Gitika and Sweetie. Welcome, welcome guys. Welcome leaders. So let's move on to another question. True or false? Pavitra, don't write the answers over here. Veena, same way, bache, don't write it. Okay, so the answer over here is false. Reticulate venation has, whenever the plant has reticulate venation in its leaves, it always have tap roots, not fibrous roots. Okay, so this would be the correct statement. The plant having leaves with reticulate venation have tap roots, not fibrous. Okay, Ishan, let's see who answered it correctly this time. Again, we have Nilakshi on the top. Then we have Soumya, Askin, Love, Sai Krishna, Akshay, Sagar. And Sagar answered this question the fastest. And then we have Sai Priya, Gitika, and Anshu. I'm really glad that you people, all of you, are really, focusing over here and able to answer. So a lot of participants are there, and it's fun when a lot of people interact and participate. So the 12th question is right here. Test your knowledge, guys. See how much you have read about this chapter. If not, you're always welcome to study about it a bit more. I have released a plus course very recently, so be a part of it. So all of you, most of you are absolutely correct. That is ovules. So ovules are the female sex cells of the plant that create sex cells. Okay, so here is the leaderboard. And still we have Nilakshi on the top. But however, this time Anshu answered the fastest. Congratulations, Anshu. The 13th question is right here. Focus, focus, guys. Read the whole question. You have time to answer. It's just true and false. Read the question. And time's up. So the correct answer is false, false, false. A stamen is the male part of the flower that has only two parts. That is a filament and an anther. Nothing more than that. It does not have stigma. Stigma is the part of the female or sex organ, okay? So a male part only has filament and an anther. Let's move on and see who is going to lead here. See, a lot of you jumped and it was correctly answered the fastest by Sagar. Congratulations, Sagar. Let's move on with the next question. And here it is. Let it be a game changer for you. Focus, focus. Remember what you have studied and then answer. It can be a game changer question for you. So the answer is absolutely true. So yes, pea pod is a fruit and it has seeds inside it. So whenever you eat that mutter or pea, that are the seeds of the pea plant, and that that covering over it is the fruit. Okay, is that clear? Let's see how game changer was this question. Okay, you guys are doing really well. So it was again answered the fastest by Sagar, but however, the top three are Nilakshi, Akshay, and Soumya. The very last question of this session. Yes, you are. Okay, hello Saurav. Go join the Menteemeter. Let's see who is able to answer them. 3, 2, and 1. So the correct answer is ovary. Which of the following parts of the flower grows and becomes the fruit? That is ovary. And the ovary contains ovules. That's why, as ovary is a fruit, the seeds would be ovules. Petals and stamen, जिसने भी आंसर किया है, absolutely wrong. Okay, Sagar, I know you are Sagar. Thank you for all the hearts in the chat. So this was all. Let's see who is the champion. Was this question a game changer? And it was. So Soumya is the leader in this particular session. But we do have a beautiful Nilakshi, Akshay Askin, Sai Krishnan. Then we have more and more and more. So congratulations, whoever is able to answer it correctly. Yes, I finished all of the 15 questions. So, yes, that is great, great, Satish. I'm really, really glad. So, guys, whoever just joined, we completed our revision of plant, getting to know plants, and then we did then we had our Menti quiz. Okay, Soumya. Yeah, I would like quickly tell you my Telegram link. Just give me 1 second and I'll do that for you. Okay, until then, go ahead and look at my referral code and look at the things that you would be getting. Okay, let me just quickly get you my Telegram link. Just look at all the features that would be available for you on your screen if you be a part of Unacademy platform and its plus subscription. Go ahead and subscribe me on the Telegram as well as the platform so that you get all the updates of my classes. Okay, so Abha Sharma is me and I have sent that Telegram link in the chat box. Okay, and this chapter I have covered in my plus course also. So if there is any doubt or if you really want to ask any doubt, you can contact me on my Telegram. You can visit my profile to see what all classes I have taken on the platform as well. Okay, Satish wanted me to write the name of the top three. I believe, let me just quickly watch who were the top three. I need to find, okay, here it is. So Soumya, Nilakshi and Akshay were top three. Yes. So everyone can say hi to Soumya, Akshay and Nilakshi. They were the top three children. Okay, good. Satish, did you guys enjoy the class? Tell me about it. What all chapters do you want to study? What is the feedback? Okay, Saurav, I know that your name is Saurav. I can see it. So you can ask me anything on the Telegram. Okay, so Telegram ID is just over here. Let me just quickly type it again. Here is the link to my Telegram ID. Sunita, you got that? And the referral code for me is, which will get you a 10% discount if you are a part of Plus courses, that is AS23. So just write it down quickly so that you people don't forget it. And if you want to lead to the success like this man on the moon, just come and join Unacademy. All of these courses are available again, guys, both in English and Hindi. We do have Sanskrit batches as well. We will be covering each and everything from literature to maths to science, SSC and everything. Okay? Okay, so Purnab is asking us what is venation. So venation is the arrangement of veins on the lamina or the leaf. Okay, so let me just quickly open, look at your screen. I'll quickly open that particular page of venation where I explained venation. Okay, so this is the definition of venation. We have two types of venation. Okay, Saksham, I got your point. I'll try to add quickly the chapter of body movements in my one of the classes, plus or special or the YouTube class. Okay, welcome to the Telegram, Satish. So were you able to open the link, guys? This is the link again. Try to open that. I believe this is the one. Yes, this is absolutely right. Okay, let's bid farewell. I hope that Pavitra, your doubt was cleared. Cell chapter of class 8. Yeah, sure. Why not? Why not, Sunita? I'll do that. So till then, bye-bye, guys. Take care. Good night. Don't study too much. I know you people aren't. A big heart from me to you. Bye. Ayush. Bye-bye. Good night. Bye.